the reason why there are variations across society as to who eats more sugar and fat are largely culturally determined and determined early in life, although there is a strong genetic component, and I want to be clear about that. Some people have genes that make them more likely to want to eat. There's very clear evidence that now is the case. So it's not that they just put on weight with the same amount of intake, they're actually programmed to have more intake. But additionally, and often as easily, what people really want is the taste of what is a nice creamy or fatty thing, and what they want is the taste of something that is sweet. It is perfectly possible to produce those by other means than by fat and sugar. They may be a bit more difficult, they may occasionally be a bit more expensive, but what I'm really saying is what we should be trying to do is work with the fact that people want to have these pleasures, rather than try and work against them, and science can help in that. And if we say to industry, that's what we want from you, that is what industry will produce. So that is something where I think we need to work with the industry to say we want to really help you to do something which genuinely can keep people happy, wanting to buy your products, but also keep them from becoming more unhealthy as a result.